Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to transfer your domain to Google Cloud Hosting. So let's begin. So initially log into your Google Cloud Platform uh, console. So let's go to Google Cloud Services and click on console. So I think I'm on the wrong account. Click on console. So here from console, you need to go to your API and services, enable API and services. Just search for DNS, Cloud DNS API. So we need to enable it. Okay, it's enabled. Now we need to go to uh, networking, networking, and to Cloud DNS. And here just create a zone. So zone name, because I'm creating it for one of my clients, so it should be crackers in, and your DNS name should be crackersin.com. So whatever your domain name, so you can just give it anything. So just click create. Okay, so now we need to create a record. So record A, and this IP. So for IP, just go to your uh, cloud once again. So Google Cloud Platform. And go to your console, because I need to switch to the emails because I have multiple accounts on this for my client. So, but if for you, I think it should be automatically log into your dashboard. You don't have to switch through the accounts. So go to your computer engine, and this is your external IP. So just copy this and paste it over here. Right, create, and we need to create one more API, one more record for www, and it should be cname, and here it should be your domain name, like crackersin.com. Create. So that should be it for the Google Cloud Platform work. So now we will move to our Google domain. So just go to your domains. Okay, so now just go to the DNS. So here we need to create a custom name servers. So the name servers, we need to put four of them. So these name servers are, just copy paste from here, just copy one of them, copy. So now we just need to change the numbers. It should be C1, C2, C3, C4, and see here the only difference is the numbers here, the C1, C2, C3, C4. So everything else is same. So just click on save, and that should be it. So right now it will take almost 24 to 48 hours. So to after that, your domain should be up on your Google Cloud hosting. So that should be it for the tutorial. Please like, share, and um, subscribe our channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave the comment. So I will try my best to answer your questions. Thank you so much.